Welcome back, viewers! How to naturally cleanse your stomach. Naturally cleaning your stomach is removing waste and toxins from your colon. It is beneficial to your health as it helps some issues such as constipation, irregular bowel movement, and it can also reduce the risk of colon cancer. A clean and healthy stomach lets you eliminate illness-causing microorganisms. It allows you to digest all your food and let the important vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients get absorbed by your entire body. In this video, we will learn how to naturally cleanse your stomach, so stay tuned and keep on watching. What is stomach cleansing? Irrigating your stomach doesn't sound pleasant, but practitioners claim it can provide numerous health benefits, like improving digestion and weight loss. However, doing a stomach cleanse doesn't come without risks. Like most lifestyle practices, it should be approached carefully, with sufficient knowledge of the potential dangers. Stomach cleansing involves flushing the colon with fluids to remove waste. It's a practice that's been around since ancient times, and the benefits are based on the premise that digestive waste can be a toxin to the body. What should you know before doing a natural stomach cleanse? Interested in one of the mentioned natural stomach cleanses? Doing one in a gentle fashion at home is usually safe. Combining these with fasting or increasing the frequency of their use can have risks. If you have high blood pressure and must keep your sodium intake low, avoid saltwater flushes. Side effects of intense cleanses include nausea, vomiting, dizziness, dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, cramping. If any of these symptoms occur, stop your cleanse immediately and see your doctor. These symptoms have the risk of leading to heart failure and digestive damage if the cleanse is continued. Stomach cleanse used occasionally poses little risk for a healthy individual, but overuse can quickly lead to chronic constipation or even bowel injury. Also talk to your doctor before making major changes to your diet for stomach health. This includes eating significantly more fiber, resistant starches, juices, and smoothies. Make sure to also be careful when using herbal teas for a colon cleanse. Some herbs can impede or affect certain medications. Laxative herbs can also be harmful if overdone. Overuse of laxatives reduces the body's ability to move stool and can result in chronic constipation. If you have a chronic illness, talk to your doctor before doing a natural colon cleanse at home. Colon cleanses aren't right for everybody. Possible benefits of stomach cleanses. People who support stomach cleanses claim they can improve energy levels, though there is no scientific evidence to prove this. There are currently no proven benefits of stomach cleanses, natural or otherwise. However, people who promote stomach cleanses claim that they provide major health benefits, including increasing energy, removing toxins, improving liver function, boosting the immune system, aiding weight loss, relieving bloating, cramps, and gas, reducing the risk of colon cancer, improving mood. Safety and risks. Some of the potential risks of stomach cleansing include weakness, irritability, electrolyte imbalance and dehydration, vomiting and nausea, abdominal cramps, dizziness and fainting, loss of healthful gut microflora and increased risk of infection, diarrhea, bowel ulcerations which are open cuts and sores, bowel infection, kidney damage and failure. People with pre-existing bowel conditions should avoid bowel cleansing methods unless a doctor performs or prescribes them. Bowel cleansing methods, especially aggressive ones, can cause a flare-up of symptoms in people with specific conditions, such as irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), colitis, kidney conditions, liver conditions, prior colon surgery, heart conditions. People with kidney conditions should avoid drinking large quantities of juice because it can contain too much oxalate, which can cause kidney problems. People with diabetes and other metabolic conditions should also avoid detoxes or extreme diets and instead follow a healthful doctor-recommended diet. Severely restricting calorie intake, which is often part of stomach cleanses, can also be damaging to a person's overall health. It rarely contributes to long-term weight loss or well-being. Always talk with a doctor before starting a stomach cleanse, even one that uses natural ingredients. Anyone who does try a stomach cleanse should be aware of the possible side effects, such as diarrhea and weakness, and seek medical care when necessary. Ready to start cleansing your stomach naturally? Share us your thoughts by commenting down below. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. Number 1. Water flush. Drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated is a great way to regulate digestion. People who support a water flush for stomach cleansing recommend drinking 6 to 8 glasses of lukewarm water per day. Also, try eating plenty of foods high in water content. This includes fruits and vegetables like watermelons, tomatoes, lettuce, and celery. In fact, there are lots of foods that can help cleanse the stomach naturally through diet. Number 2. Saltwater flush. You can also try a saltwater flush. This is especially recommended for people experiencing constipation and irregularity. Salt water could possibly clear the colon when paired with certain yoga poses. Before eating in the morning, mix 2 teaspoons of salt with lukewarm water. Sea salt or Himalayan salt is recommended. Drink water quickly on an empty stomach, and in a few minutes you'll probably feel an urge to go to the bathroom. Do this in the morning and in the evening, and make sure to stay home near the bathroom for a while after the cleanse. You may need to go to the bathroom multiple times. Number 3. High-fiber diet. Fiber is an essential macronutrient often overlooked in the diet. It's found in whole healthy plant foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, and more. Plants contain cellulose and fibers that help bulk up excess matter in the colon. They also regulate constipation and overactive bowels while boosting helpful bacteria as a prebiotic. Make sure to eat plenty of high-fiber foods which help a healthy stomach. They can also be great for gut bacteria too. Number 4. Juices and smoothies. Juices are popular stomach cleansers. These include fruit and vegetable juice fasts and cleanses like master cleanses. Moderate intake of juices and juicing can be good for you. Juice blends contain some fiber and nutrients that benefit digestion. Water can also help hydrate and keep up regularity. Vitamin C may help cleanse the stomach. Vitamin C is found in lots of fruits and vegetables added to juice blends. Popular juices in juice fasts and cleanses include apple juice, lemon juice, and vegetable juices. However, some dietitians may recommend smoothies over juices for colon and overall health. Since pulp and skins are removed when juicing, juices contain less fiber. Fiber is great for the stomach, and smoothies hold a lot more fiber. You don't need to fast and drink only juices and smoothies to get any benefit. Just try including more in your diet, such as with a daily juice or smoothie. Number 5. More resistant starches. Resistant starches are similar to fiber. They're also found in plant foods like potatoes, rice, legumes, green bananas, and grains. These promote a healthy stomach by boosting gut microflora. There is a downside though. Resistant starches are found in carbohydrates. Still, low-carb dieters can choose options that cause fewer blood sugar spikes. These include rice and waxy potatoes. Including these in the diet, like fiber, can be great for cleansing the stomach. Number 6. Probiotics. Adding probiotics to the diet is another way to cleanse the stomach. This also boosts overall health in many other ways. You can get more probiotics by taking probiotic supplements. Also, eat lots of probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, pickles, and other fermented foods. Probiotics introduce good bacteria to the gut with the help of fiber and resistant starches. These curb inflammation and promote regularity, 2 elements of digestive health related to the stomach. Apple cider vinegar is also considered probiotic and is included in stomach cleanses. The enzymes and acids that apple cider vinegar contains supposedly suppress bad bacteria. Currently, there are no studies on this. Number 7. Herbal teas. Trying some herbal teas may assist digestive health via the colon. Laxative herbs like psyllium, aloe vera, marshmallow root, and slippery elm may help with constipation. Make sure to talk to your doctor and follow directions closely before using these herbs. Also, use them sparingly, otherwise they can be harmful. Other herbs like ginger, garlic, and cayenne pepper contain antimicrobial phytochemicals. These are thought to suppress bad bacteria. For this reason, they're included in a lot of cleanses, though studies are needed. Try a cup of one of these herbal teas up to 3 times a day. Only drink tea once per day for laxative herbal teas. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.